Hi, I'm a teacher and I like to clean. This is my bedroom, and since distance learning, that little corner right there has been my classroom for my kindergarten students for the last 7 months. Now, since classes have finished here, it's time to clean. So I'm doing a very light dusting all over since I did a deep clean of this piece of furniture just a few weeks ago. I'm taking the time to do a little bit of a deeper clean on my bedside tables since I tend to accumulate a lot of snacks and obviously a lot of dust. Now, I have 2 very special lamps that are vintage. My grandmother gave them to me, so they're very special for me, and I decided to put one on each bedside table. So it's spooky season and I have all my Halloween decorations, and yes, that is a rosary. We are Catholic, but we do like Halloween. Now if you notice, our decorations are mostly pumpkins and cute things. We don't go for the gory or scary side of things. We try to keep it nice, focus on family, candy, and fun. On this bedside table, I have a lot of special things given to me by my students, and like I mentioned before, a special lamp that I have from my grandma. I also keep my Bible, my agenda, my stickers, everything for journaling, and it's just all the special things for me right next to where I sleep. So I tried different places around my house to do all my virtual classes, and I ended up picking this little corner where I could put this board, keep all my student books, have a calendar, and be a little bit more organized with markers, chalk, and everything I needed for my classes. My students loved watching my little background change and all the little things that I would paste there for them. I was able to show them the books, and Doodle Bunny, if you know, you know, is right there keeping us company. So again, this part was just a light dusting. I had a few decorations, things were pretty much organized, and I'm just having a hard time deciding what to do with that little end table that I have right there next to the TV. And to finish and pick up all the hair with my little dust buster, I'm planning on getting a bigger vacuum, but it helps for now. So this is it. What do you think? I hope you enjoyed.